Wix is one of the most popular website builders out there, but before you decide to buy, there are 12 things you need to know. This will help you compare it to other platforms and make sure it's the right choice for your landing page or website. First thing, Wix offers an intuitive drag and drop builder, which makes it easy for anyone, even beginners, to create a professional looking site. But while it's user friendly, the flexibility can feel a bit limited compared to some competitors like WordPress, especially if you want more control over customization. Next thing, Wix has a huge selection of templates, over 500. These can help you get started quickly, but they aren't always as customizable as you might want. If you're looking for complete design freedom, you might want to consider platforms like Webflow. The third thing to know is Wix's pricing structure. While it's affordable for basic sites, the premium plans can get pricey, especially if you need features like e-commerce or custom domains. Be sure to account for these costs before you dive in. Next up, Wix offers a free plan, but it's limited. Your website will show ads, and you can't use your custom domain. This can be fine for testing things out, but if you're serious about building a brand, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Wix's app market. It's filled with third-party apps that can help you add additional features to your site. However, some of these apps come with extra costs, and you might find yourself relying on them for features that should have been included natively. The sixth thing is Wix's SEO tools. It's good, but not great. It provides an SEO wizard that walks you through basic optimizations, but it lacks the depth and flexibility you get with platforms like WordPress or Shopify, especially when you're looking to take your SEO game to the next level. Now let's talk about mobile optimization. Wix sites are generally responsive and work well on mobile devices, but some users have noted that customizing mobile layouts can be tricky. This is something you'll want to consider if mobile-first design is critical for your project. Next thing, Wix has solid customer support, offering 24/7 access through live chat and phone support. However, some users have complained about response times and the quality of support, which can be hit or miss compared to other builders like Squarespace, known for its excellent customer service. The ninth thing is its built-in hosting. Wix includes hosting with all its plans, which makes things easier because you don't have to set anything up yourself. But the downside is that you're locked into Wix's hosting, unlike WordPress or Shopify, where you have more hosting freedom. The 10th thing to know is that Wix is constantly evolving. It adds new features regularly, but this means some tools may not be fully polished yet. You might encounter bugs or features that don't always work as expected. Now, the 11th thing, Wix's e-commerce options. While Wix offers e-commerce functionality, it's not as powerful or flexible as Shopify. If your business depends on a lot of product variations or advanced e-commerce features, Wix might not cut it in the long run. The 12th and final thing is Wix's scalability. While Wix is fantastic for small to medium-sized websites, it can struggle with larger, more complex sites. As your business grows, you might hit limitations, and migrating away from Wix could be more complicated than it's worth. Overall, Wix is a solid choice for beginners or anyone looking to quickly launch a basic website. It offers a user-friendly experience and enough features for most small businesses or personal projects. But if you need more customization, advanced SEO, or e-commerce capabilities, you might want to check out other options. If you want to explore an alternative with better flexibility, customization, and a free trial, be sure to check out our recommended solution.